In this video I'm going to teach you how to use clipping mask. I've selected the A4 preset and flipped this into landscape. So staying in the layers section, a clipping mask is when you use the base layer as your boundaries for an image above in your layers panel. So as an example, I'll use the text tool and type beach. I'll keep this text bold so that the boundaries of this layer allow the image I clip above to show over the text. Let's go to File, Open, and open our image we want to clip to the text. You'll find this image in the course details below if you wanted to download this yourself, or you can click the links provided and pick your own. Now we've opened the image, we can transfer this over in many ways. We will need to unlock the layer by clicking the padlock to the right. Then we can hit Command-C for Apple or Control-C for Windows to copy this image. Or you can go to Edit and Copy. Another way we can do this is select the Move tool, make sure the layer is still unlocked, click and drag over into the original tab. Wait for the tab to load and drop into your image window. And obviously if you did select Command-C or Control-C, you can go into your original tab and select Command-V for Apple or Control-V for Windows. Once the image is in your document, you'll need to ensure your image layer is above your text layer. As you can see, the text layer is now hidden behind the image. So to clip the image to your text, you'll need to right click and select Create Clipping Mask. Or you can hold Alt and select the line between the two layers. Once the image is clipped, the text will reappear and the image will be within the text boundaries. You are then free to transform this however you like by resizing, stretching or moving by selecting Command-T for Apple or Control-T for Windows. Clipping masks can be used multiple times over one single base image. For example, let's hide these layers by selecting the eye icon and then add in a circle. If you do not see the circle, hover over the shape you have visible, click and hold down, you will then see multiple options. Let's select circle. Drag and pull. If you hold down shift, this will keep your circle symmetrical. Now drag your image layer above the circle and turn this into a clipping mask again. With the shortcut Alt or right click and select Create Clipping Mask, again this can be moved and adjusted as you like. To show multiple layers, we can add another circle, clip that, and it will be within the base circle layer. So that's the basics of clipping masks, and this can be used for many different things within Photoshop. In the next lesson I'll be discussing layer masks.